Bending the faces of a sheet metal component. So we can allow you to add a new bent face between two existing faces. To do this, we're going to use the bend tool. So I have here a sheet metal component, and I'm going to place a bend between this face and this face. So I'm going to go up and choose the bend command. The bend command will ask me to pick the edges. So I'm going to come over here and pick one edge, and come over here and pick the other edge. So by default, it threw in a 90-degree bend. And so I'm just going to hit OK for now and show you what that is. So it builds the 90-degree bend in between the two examples. I'm going to undo that and show that again. Let's go up to bend. I'm going to pick the two edges. I'll pick this one and this one again. And this time I'll go to a full radius. A full radius when it has a radius that equals the distance between the two faces. And I'm going to hit OK, and so I can build a full radius there. All right, so I'm going to undo that. And I'm also going to go back to bend, and I'm going to pick on the edges. And so notice that the bend radius is going to use our radius, our bend radius found in the Style and Standard Editor dialog box. So we could change that if we wanted to. And we also have these bend extensions down here. These bend extensions, the one that's being chosen is to extend the bend aligned to the side faces. So material is going to be added to the sides of the edges along the faces. And over here on the extend the bend perpendicular to the side faces, this is going to result in the bend material being extended perpendicular to the bend axis. So we end up with, I can come in here and say, well, I don't want the bend radius of that. I want it to be, say, something like 10 millimeters, you can see, right? And then I can say, okay, and now I've changed the radius there. So we have, by using the bend command, allowed us to add a new bent face between two existing faces. This is the bend tool.